Have you ever wondered how the digital marketing landscape has evolved over the years? It's a journey that began in the early 90s with the advent of the internet. Businesses began to see the potential of reaching their customers in a whole new way. As we moved into the new millennium, the growth of digital marketing was exponential. Traditional marketing methods like print and television ads were overshadowed by the cost effectiveness, reach, and real time feedback offered by digital channels. Take the case of the global coffee chain Starbucks. Their innovative use of digital marketing, from the personalized offers on their mobile app to their engaging social media campaigns, has played a crucial role in their success. Today, digital marketing is not just an option, but a necessity for businesses big and small. It has transformed the way we interact with brands, making every click, every like, and every share count. And that's how digital marketing has transformed the way businesses communicate with their customers. Do you know the range of job opportunities and the salaries that digital marketing offers? Let's dive into it. Digital marketing is a vast field teeming with various roles. For instance, you could be a social media manager who's responsible for managing and curating content for social media platforms. Or perhaps you're more inclined towards the technical side of things. You could be a search engine optimization specialist working on improving a website's visibility on search engines. Then there's the role of a content strategist, where you'd be creating and managing engaging content tailored to a specific audience. These are just a few examples, and there are many more roles in the digital marketing landscape. In terms of salaries, these can vary based on experience and location. However, on average, a social media manager can make around $50,000 a year, while an SEO specialist and a content strategist can earn around $60,000. These figures are testament to the potential of digital marketing. Take, for example, Neil Patel, a successful digital marketer who's made a significant impact in the industry. His journey illustrates the opportunities that await in this field. So, as you can see, digital marketing offers a wide array of lucrative job opportunities. What are the pros and cons of digital marketing, you ask? Well, let's dive right in. On the plus side, digital marketing is known for its cost effectiveness. Traditional marketing methods can be pricey, but digital marketing often offers more bang for your buck. It also boasts a wide reach, helping businesses tap into a global audience at the click of a button. And let's not forget its flexibility. With digital marketing, you can tweak and tailor your campaign on the fly based on real-time results. But it's not all roses. Privacy concerns are a major disadvantage. Digital marketing often involves collecting customer data, which can lead to issues if not handled correctly. There's also the problem of information overload. With so much content out there, standing out can be a challenge. Plus, the digital landscape is ever evolving, requiring marketers to constantly update their skills. Despite some challenges, the advantages of digital marketing far outweigh the disadvantages. Wondering where and how digital marketing is applied? Let's delve into that. Digital marketing has found its way into numerous sectors, showcasing its versatility. First, let's talk about e-commerce. Companies like Amazon and eBay use digital marketing strategies to recommend products based on your browsing history, enhancing your shopping experience. Next, we have blogging. Bloggers use SEO techniques to increase their visibility on search engines. driving more traffic to their sites. Then there's online advertising. Companies use targeted ads to reach potential customers on various platforms, whether that's Google, Facebook, or Instagram. Finally, we have social media marketing. Brands use platforms like Twitter and Instagram to engage with their audience, build brand loyalty, and even handle customer service. From small businesses to multinational corporations, from bloggers to influencers, digital marketing is everywhere. It's in the ads you see, the posts you like, and the products you buy. Digital marketing has indeed permeated every sphere of our lives. Now let's answer the questions we asked earlier. Let's dive in. First, we asked, what are the roots of digital marketing? Well, it all began in the late 90s with the rise of the internet, evolving from simple email campaigns to today's complex multi-platform strategies. Second, what's the average salary for a digital marketer? It varies, but on average, digital marketers can expect to earn between $50,000 and $80,000 annually. Third, what's a key advantage of digital marketing? It's the ability to reach a global audience at a lower cost than traditional marketing methods. Fourth, what's a significant disadvantage? Well, the digital landscape is always changing, requiring constant learning and adaptation. Finally, where is digital marketing most commonly used? It's used in virtually every industry, from healthcare to retail, education to entertainment. Remember, in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, there's always something new to learn.